Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the chemical mediators of inflammation. Definition: these are the chemical substances that initiate and regulate the inflammatory reaction. What do chemical mediators do? These chemical mediators basically release during inflammation, intensify and propagate the inflammatory response. They may act as exogenous, for example through endotoxins, or endogenous, plasma, leukocyte, endothelial cells and fibroblasts. They are released. Properties of chemical mediators: these mediators can be produced locally by the cell or derived from inactive precursors present in the plasma. From the cell, they are present as preformed or synthesized de novo. Preformed mean they are ready-made that are released from the intracellular granules, and the synthesized de novo means they are made if they are needed. And from the plasma, they are activated by complement or activation of factor 12, that is also known as Hageman factor. They can be produced only in response to agents that stimulate inflammation, for example microbial agents and the substances that are released from the necrotic cell. They can stimulate the release of another mediator. For example, the products of complement activation then stimulate another mediator to release. They have short lifespan, which means they can quickly decay and are inactivated by enzyme after performing their action. They can act on a wide variety of the cell. Means the mechanism of action can be same in all these targets or different in each of these targets. What does it mean? It means that they have different effects on different types of cells. Mediators of inflammation. As I discussed earlier, these are cell-derived or plasma-derived. Cell-derived include preformed that are histamine and serotonin. And newly synthesized include prostaglandins, leukotrienes, platelet activating factor, reacting oxygen species, nitric oxide, cytokines, and neuropeptides. And from the plasma-derived mediators include from the complement activation and from factor 12, that is known as Hageman factor activation. Let's discuss about the cell-derived mediators. Preformed mediators that are ready-made. They are vasoactive amines. Why they call vasoactive amines? Because their action is on the blood vessels. Vasoactive amines are histamine and serotonin. These are the first mediator to be released during inflammation. Histamine, the source of histamines are mast cells, circulating basophils and platelets. Preformed histamine is released by degranulation in response to physical injury, it may be trauma, cold or heat, binding of antibodies IgG on Fc receptors on the mast cells, or the products of complement called anaphylatoxin C3A and C5A, leukocyte derived histamine releasing proteins, and neuropeptides, for example substance P, and cytokines interleukin 1 and interleukin A also may trigger the release of histamine. What are the action of histamine? Histamine cause increases in vascular permeability, which is due to increased blood flow and endothelial barrier disruption. It also called vasodilation, which is due to release of nitric oxide release. Both increase in vascular permeability and vasodilation are responsible for the Weyl and flare reaction in the skin. The Weyl reaction is due to increased vascular permeability and the flare is due to vasodilation. Histamine also causes contraction of the some smooth muscles and causing the spasms of bronchial muscles, for example in asthma. Histamine vasoactive effects are mediated mainly binding to the receptors called H1 receptors on the microvascular endothelial cells. When we are going to give an antihistamine drugs, it will block the H1 receptors, block the histamine to bind to the H1 receptors. Next, discuss the serotonin. Serotonin, also known as 5-hydroxytryptamine. The sources are platelets, certain neuroendocrine cells such as GIT, and mast cells in rodents but not humans. Functions of serotonin: they are neurotransmitter in gastrointestinal tract. Their actions are similar to histamine but they are less potent. Okay, thank you.